everyone. So I got up early this morning and decided to do a little hiking out here in the high mountain desert. I'm starting to get a little hungry. So I got this cool little spot that I like to go to at least once a year and make me some breakfast using the Esbit alcohol stove. Check it out. This is a little cool little spot. Got some little shelter down there to keep away from the breeze. This is an Esbit 5-piece Cookset. This is an alcohol stove. It weighs 14.7 ounces or 417 grams. It does come with a stuff sack. Now, right off the bat, I'm going to tell you, if you don't pack rags around the inside of everything, you get this. And I just hate rattles when I'm going down the trail, but I do stuff rags around it, keep everything quiet. I'll take it out of the bag here. Now the lid itself is 470 milliliter lid. The pot itself is 985 milliliter. It does have stainless steel handles and they're rubber coated so that they don't get hot. It does have measuring device on the pot itself. Now everything's backwards on the outside, but if you look on the inside, everything is straightforward. So it's really easy to see inside there, to see your measurements. The burner itself is a brass burner. It's almost a spitting image of the Trangia. I mean, it's really close. The one thing that I do like about this burner a little bit is, a little bit more than the Trangia, is it does have a handle on it for the dampener. But, I mean, it is really close to the Trangia. You can see. It also comes with the stand for the pot to sit on, just like so. It does come with this little guy right here. Now this is for your solid fuel. I haven't tried that in this stove yet, but you set that in there and you put your solid fuel on that little platform. So I'm gonna get this thing fired up here and I'm gonna cook me some breakfast burritos. So let me get it set up here and we'll fire it up. Okay, I'm gonna put some alcohol in it. Actually, I'm gonna use some heat. Now, if you don't have one of these new alcohol bottles, get one because they are sweet. Now, I'm going to fill this thing up because I'm going to use a lot of fuel. Not so much to burn or to boil the water, but I'm going to boil some more water afterwards. I'm going to just set that right down in there. Like so. Now I like using my Sparky to light these things. You can use a Bic lighter or whatever you want, but this normally works really well. If I can hit it. There we go. I don't know if you can see it going, but it's going. Now I'm going to use this Mountain House. It's a breakfast skillet. And I brought some flour tortillas, so I'm going to make me some breakfast burritos. And it's calling for 12 ounces of water. And it is measured in there, 12, 16, 20, 24 ounces. $12 ounces of water. And I'll put the lid on it. So we'll let that come to a boil and get this stuff going. Okay, I got a good boil here. So I'm going to take that 12 ounces of water and put it in this breakfast skillet. Just like so. Now I'm going to stir it up a little bit. Now this needs to sit for about 10 minutes, so I'm going to seal it back up and let it sit. And in the meantime, I'm going to take my little lid here. I'm going to put just a little bit of water in it. About that much. And then I got some flour tortillas wrapped up here in tin foil, and I kind of want to heat them up, so I'm just going to let that sit on there for about 10 minutes. Okay, the Mountain House has sat for about 10 minutes. I think it's good to go. And the flour tortillas have been steaming on there for about 10 minutes. So I think they're good to go. Let me open these guys up. Oh yeah, they're nice and toasty. So, what I'm going to do, breakfast burrito. That looks good, smells good. Oh, plus, I'm going to put a little bit of this on there. Some fire. Thank you, Taco Bell. We'll put a little fire on there. Perfect. Roll that up. Okay, guys, I'm going to eat. There's some good stuff, guys. Easy to make. A couple flour tortillas. This is a perfect stove for day hikes. It's nice and small. It don't take much room in your pack. If you're going up a long ways for a day hike and I'm going to make lunch, I've cooked top ramen in this thing before. It works great. But about $45 for this stove. You might shop around, get it cheaper. I don't know. But there you have it, guys. I'm going to finish eating my burritos and probably start hiking back. Thanks for watching.